All big ideas start small. But how do they build momentum and grow?
How does a startup become a scale-up?
For some, scaling happens fast.
Very fast.
And as the team grows,
Ideas grow. And ambitions grow too.
sometimes big ambitions need new investment.
We just made our Series B.
Suddenly, those big goals, they don't feel so big. But that brings new challenges,
Different time zones,
different voices.
who all need to feel heard. You've got to stay flexible so the customer experience scales as you do.
Turning to-dos,
Into jobs done.
but when it clicks and everyone works together,
A world of possibilities opens up. Scale starts here.
discover Miro for scale-ups. Miro.